Okay, are you ready for this incredibly crazy, easy way to make salad dressing? Okay, get a container. I am using my Tupperware salad dressing maker, but you can use whatever you want. And you are going to do equal parts, whatever oil you have. I'm using Tastefully Simple's olive oil, or avocado oil. Aged balsamic vinegar of Modena, so Tastefully Simple's aged balsamic vinegar of Modena, and whatever seasoning you want. Now this will be about 2 teaspoons of the seasoning. So today I am going to use Rustic herb seasoning. If you like a good spiciness kick, use Tastefully Simple's Fiesta seasoning. If you like a nice citrusy flavor, use the citrus herb seasoning. So the really cool thing is you can really customize the flavor of your salad dressing just by using the seasoning. Also, if you don't want as much tang, don't do exactly 1-to-1, go maybe 2-to-1, 2-to-1. But I like to go 1-to-1. So here's how we do this. It's really difficult, so watch carefully. Okay, so I'm going to put in 1 ounce balsamic vinegar. Done. Gonna add another ounce. So I'm up to the 2 of oil, maybe a little extra. Then I'm going to put my seasoning in. Use your grinder if you don't want it to be as coarse. I like it coarse, so I'm gonna do about that much seasoning and add that in. And then whatever you have. So if you were you could drizzle this all on your salad too. I was gonna make it up so I can have it for a couple of days. And this is really hard. Shake it up. Do you hear all my sarcasm? I hope you do. And then you pop it open and you drizzle it, maybe, on your salad. Not sure what just fell there. That's it. That is the easiest salad dressing there is. Again, change up the flavor with whatever seasonings you have. I think this is great. I'm gonna throw it in my fridge. If it gets, it'll separate because it's sitting, because oil will separate from the vinegar. So you can shake it up, number 1, or if you really want to kind of like really smooth it out, throw it in the microwave for literally 5 seconds. It'll help it all kind of come together. That is it. Hope you're all having a great Saturday. I had a great workout sesh with my girl Sue and Stacy. Hope you're doing great. And look, there's Zebby. Oh, he's going to go out down the door. I've never gotten this on video. Let's watch. Go, Zeb, go. I guess he's not. Bye, guys. Have a great one.